Well, I just realized writing an article is easier than giving a speech. First of all, I would like to thank Your Excellencies, the Consulate Generals of South Africa and Thailand, and our guests from the US and South Africa. It's a great moment for us because the journey started 2 years back without any backup, without anything. Just started one fine day, the magazine was out, and it took a while, for the market to accept it, which is fair enough. And I've been dreaming of this moment right from the day one, and now I'm nervous to face you all. I think it's natural. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for supporting this venture right from day one, being with us, giving us a helping hand every time we need it. Because it was important for someone like me, someone like us, to make it big in Dubai. And I also want to thank the Dubai real estate market, which is one of the most talked about markets in the world. I think we are all lucky to be a part of it. We can contribute something to it. I think let's give a big round of applause to Dubai real estate market. We all talk about turning points in life. I think this moment is the turning point for Dubai real estate market, because we are going to empower the buyers, the investors, the tenants who usually don't come out in the open, because it's the real estate agents, developers who advertise, who are in the media everywhere. And we don't see these people every day. Today, they get a chance to choose the best in the market. I think that is what Property Times, People's Choice Real Estate Awards is all about. And this is their chance. This is the moment. So, going forward, I would like to request all real estate agencies who've been in the market, taking care of their clients, helping them buy homes, helping them invest in different communities, taking care of their needs. I would request all of them to be a part of it. I would sign off with famous words by Jesse Owens. The real thing is not winning, but taking part. So please do take part in Property Times People's Choice Real Estate Awards. Thank you.